Howdy howdy howdy. I am Lil Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Roseborough, and this is Art World Geeks, inspired by, where I discuss a work that inspires my art practice. In this episode, we'll look at the 1991 installation, Guarded View, by the artist Fred Wilson. Wilson was born in the Bronx, New York, United States, in 1954. Wilson is known for his 1992 project, Mining the Museum, in which he used a collection of the Maryland Historical Society to create a commentary on slavery and the history of African Americans in the United States. For example, Wilson juxtaposed a silver tea set with a pair of iron shackles. Guarded View is comprised of 4 black headless mannequins that are dressed in clothing to look like museum guards, commenting on the racial makeup of most museums and institutions. This work inspires me to look at the museum as a space of critique and possibility. Until next time, I'm Lil Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Roseborough. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media and the web at ARTWORLDGEEK.